Have you ever wondered how to make money through blogging? Well, you're not alone. In the digital age, blogging has emerged as a profitable venture, a side hustle that can generate a steady stream of passive income. But how does one transition from blogging as a hobby to earning a substantial income from it? Let's delve into this exciting journey. The first step to making money through blogging is setting up your blog. It involves choosing a niche that you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. This is crucial because the content you produce will be centered around this topic. Whether it's fashion, finance, food, or even a combination of these, your niche should resonate with you and your target audience. Next, you need to create your blog. This step entails purchasing a domain name, setting up hosting, and choosing a content management system. The expenses here are minimal, typically costing around $250 per year. Now that you have your blog set up, it's time to create content. Remember, content is king. Your content should be engaging, informative, and valuable to your audience. This is where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes into play. SEO is crucial for blog growth. It involves optimizing your blog posts so they rank higher in search engine results. This increases visibility and drives more traffic to your blog. Once you have a steady stream of traffic, you can start monetizing your blog. There are several ways to do this. Display advertising is one such method, where revenue can range from 30 cents to $30 per thousand page views, depending on the ad network and traffic. Affiliate marketing is another popular method, where you promote products or services and earn a commission for any sales made through your referral. You can also monetize your blog by selling your own products or services. Now here's something to remember. Blogging is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time to see income. In the first year, expect to make $0 to $500 per month, depending on your monthly traffic. However, with perseverance and strategic planning, your blog can grow to attract thousands of visitors per month, and your earnings can scale up accordingly. So there you have it, a breakdown of the process of making money through blogging. It involves setting up your blog, creating engaging content, driving traffic to your blog, and monetizing your blog through various methods. But remember, the journey of blogging is just as important as the destination. It's about sharing your passion, connecting with your audience, and creating value. The income generated is a bonus, a testament to your hard work and dedication. So, why wait? Begin your blogging journey today. Share your passion with the world and start making money through blogging. It's an exciting venture, one that offers endless possibilities and rewards. So, take that first step and see where your blogging journey takes you. After all, every great journey begins with a single step.